Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Shout out to my 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to Facebook. Now click on the menu icon. Click on the settings icon or scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Click on the Meta Account Center. Click on Profiles. Now click on the Facebook profile that you would like to change its name. Now click on Name. Now from here, click on the first name box, change the name. Click on the last name, change the name as you wish. And once you are done, click on Review Change. Note that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Once you are through with the changing of your name, click on Review Change. And once that is done, your name will be automatically changed after a review by the Facebook team to your desired new name. That is all for this tutorial, friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you all for watching.